Maternity health care for African-American parents isn't just an issue in Indiana. First Alert 6's Zina Taher joins me live in the studio to break down the numbers and how one woman's traumatic experience is leading her to call for change. Zina.
Yeah, Aaron, the 2025 March of Dimes report card for Nebraska shows babies born to Black moms are 2 times more likely to die than overall. They're also the second most likely ethnic group to deliver babies preterm. I spoke to one woman whose birth was full of difficulties. By the time they're 2, kids are starting to show a little personality.
I was singing Frozen one day and she just looked at me like, "Can you stop?" Yeah, she has the looks down packed.
Mom doesn't mind.
She's strong-willed, and that's what they say about NICU babies.
22 weeks into her pregnancy with her daughter Freya, Zuri Gideon started having abdominal pain. She went to the doctor. They told her it was a UTI. The next day, the pain got much worse. She ended up back at the hospital.
They were trying to get the baby's heart rate, but I was in so much pain I couldn't sit still.
She said staff chalked the pain up to her not taking her UTI medication. They sent her home, unable to walk, hunched over in a wheelchair.
That was my worst nightmare, and it happened.
At home, the pain got worse.
I bit down on a belt, and I just went through it. Crawled to the bathroom, and the next thing I know, she just pops right out.
Freya has battled a host of health issues, including cerebral palsy, and spent months in the hospital after her birth. The nonprofit IB Black Girl says Zuri's experience isn't an isolated one.
Black women have the worst maternal mortality outcomes and have higher chances of traumatic births.
IBBG is educating doulas, professional pregnancy and birthing guides who speak up for moms. Zuri says that's exactly what she needed.
So I just wish I had someone who was a little bit more aggressive and more to advocate for me a little bit more.
She says the problems are systemic and will take a lot of work to solve. So IB Black Girl does plan to eventually open up a mobile maternal health unit and a birthing center. As for Zuri, she says that she wants parents whose kids are in the NICU to know that they're not promised a future for any of their babies, but they should remember to take things one day at a time. In the studio, Zina Taher, First Alert 6.